हेलो ऑल, वेलकम टू पमिता AI वर्ल्ड 18। मेरा नाम है आई एम पमिता सिंह कंडारी एंड इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोना टीच यू what are the different data science methods. But before this different data science methods, I'm gonna tell you about the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning and data science, because many of the students get confused between what are the difference between all these terms. Fine, they just got confused. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna tell you about the difference between AI, ML for machine learning, AI for artificial intelligence, and I will use short terms for all these terms. Fine, so machine learning I will use ML, for deep learning I will use DL, and for data science I would use DS. Fine, so I will tell you what is the difference between all these things in this video. Fine, so our main heading would be, and I will use flowchart so that you can understand easily. Fine, so what is the difference between AI for artificial intelligence, ML for machine learning, DL for deep learning, fine, and DS for data science. So in this video we'll get all the concepts clear about all these terms. So suppose friends, this is we can say this is deep learning. Fine, this is deep learning or DL. Fine, and this is ML, and this is AI. And can you guess where it would be data science in all this circle? Can you tell me? Pause the video and write it in comment section. Where is the data science? Of course, data science would be data science would have all these three parts, little three parts like this. That is called DS. ठीक है, तो this is the complete flowchart of today's topic. Now I will elaborate all the small things which they contain. Like we can understand with this flowchart that deep learning is the part of machine learning. Fine, means it means deep learning is the subset of machine learning. ठीक है, and machine learning and deep learning are subset of artificial intelligence. Fine, so artificial intelligence contain machine learning as well as deep learning. ठीक है, so if you understand artificial intelligence, it means if you understand artificial intelligence you would easily understand machine learning, deep learning. And for data science you have to this outer part you are seeing this outer part. I am gonna tell you what is this outer part means. ठीक है, this, okay, you got this concept clear that this part is for AI, artificial intelligence, this part is for machine learning, and this part is for DL, what data science contains in it. Fine, but this outer part, what this includes, outer part, what this thing denotes, ठीक है, in data science. So this outer part is nothing but it is first statistics, which I am gonna tell you in details in upcoming videos, so don't worry about it. Second is probability, all the maths, probability, all the maths and statistics part, this outer circle contains in data science. Fine, and third is linear algebra. You no need to worry about all these terms here, because I am gonna tell you, I am gonna teach you all these difficult things in a flowchart way. ठीक है, it would not be difficult for you. I would tell you each and everything in like this flowchart so that you can easily fit this thing in your mind. Fine. So now we will come to know. First I am gonna tell you about machine learning. No, first I will tell you. Fine, I will start from machine learning. Fine. So what is machine learning? I will tell you the small definition so that you can understand and keep it in your mind. Machine learning provide us statistical tools to explore the data. So this is the smallest definition you would see anywhere in your whole data science course or artificial intelligence course. So machine learning is nothing but it provides us statistical tools to explore the data. Fine. It is very easy definition. So there is no need to explain it. Now what are the three approaches of machine learning to explore the data? I am going to tell you these three approaches. Fine, here. First approach is supervised learning. Fine. Second approach is three approaches. Second approach is unsupervised learning. And third approach is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement as well as semi-supervised learning. Fine. So what is supervised learning? I will tell you in a small definition. Supervised learning, in this it have past labeled data. Fine. Second is and definition is already known output. What does this mean? It have past labeled data means so in supervised learning every data is already labeled. For example, there is one data which is mathematical data. I am going to tell you. There is 2. Fine. Small example I am giving you. And there is one arithmetic operator. We say in data science, we say this thing and arithmetic operators. Fine. This plus, multiply, divide. Fine. This is plus sign. 2 plus 2. 2 is one data and second is 2 is another data. So what does what it leads to? What would be the output of this data? You already know. 2 plus 2 is 4. So already known output would be there. 4. Fine. So this is the supervised learning in which data is already labeled. 2 is already labeled. Fine. Suppose it is A and it is B. So A denotes for 2 and B denotes for 2. And we know the arithmetic operator plus sign is there. So it would lead to 4. Fine. Same way 3 multiply 6. A, B. What it would denotes you already know. Fine. It's 18. So supervised learning is nothing. It have past labeled data. Fine. And already known output. It is so easy. In machine learning, what is unsupervised learning? I am giving you the simplest examples, although it is very tough when we come to, not tough, it would be like cakewalk if I will teach you in details. So but I am telling you the little example, what does it means. So what is unsupervised learning? Unsupervised learning is nothing but it is clustering techniques. Here output not known, and of course data would not be labeled. Data is not labeled. Here what does it means? In this unsupervised learning, data scientist does not know what is the there would be unlabeled data, it would not be labeled, and data scientist would not know that what is the output of that labeled data. Okay, so we'll see the example of it. Example, suppose we provide feed to the machine learning model that there is one apple, it is of red color. Fine, we'll say there is one fruit of red color. So you have told the machine that there is one fruit of red color. Fine. So machine learning model would think there are so many fruits in the fruits in market which are red color, like strawberry. So no, strawberry is pink, like many other, like cherry is also like red color, have red color, and apple is also have red color. So machine model would get confused because it does not know the output, what output exactly it is telling about. So it is not labeled data until and unless data scientists would not add another feature which would be like apple with round shape and with taste sweet. Fine. Or another feature they would add for apple with having seeds, having it would be like having grams. Okay, they would add gram weight of apple. Fine. So now if they will give the direction to the machine model, this type of, after adding fruit of red color, round shape, taste sweet, and weight of apple is weight of fruit is this one. Now they can predict easily, machine learning model, that they are talking about apple, not cherry. Fine. So here output was not known. Data scientists, they provide the additional feature to get the labeled output. So this is unsupervised learning, and this is, of course, I have given you the simplest example. We would see the in upcoming videos the little difficult example of it. Fine. So what is reinforcement learning? In reinforced learning, some data is labeled and some is unlabeled. What is happening unlabeled? Fine, this is unlabeled data. So reinforcement semi-supervised learning, semi means half. So half data is labeled and half data is not labeled. So reinforced learning would contain supervised learning as well as unsupervised learning. Fine. So you can add that example here of this, for this. So this is machine learning in short term, I have told you in this video. Now comes to deep learning. This whole part I told you, whole machine learning I told you specifically in this whole chapter, which we are gonna tell you in upcoming videos while building the model for deployment. Fine. So we'll use the tough examples in upcoming videos. So these are the basics I told you to let you get understand about it. Now what is deep learning? Deep learning. Fine. What is deep learning? Deep learning is nothing but multi-neural network architecture. Here the best part comes. It is very important. Deep learning is what? Means if any of you having biomedical background or are from medicine field who are learning this data science course from me, they would understand easily what neural means. Neural means brain. Okay? Networks, networks mean net. Okay? It's like a web. है ना. एंड आर्किटेक्चर तो यू ऑलरेडी नो. आर्किटेक्चर इज व्हाट डज इट मीन्स. आर्किटेक्चर फाइन्स. सो मल्टी मीन्स many neural network architecture. That is the small definition of deep learning. What deep learning is all about? Deep learning is used to mimic human brain. Fine. To mimic human brain have various, like deep learning is nothing but it in neural means I told you it's like it denotes brain. So deep learning is try to mimic human brain. They think like human, they act like human, they have emotions like human. So deep learning is nothing but they just mimic human brain. ठीक है. So it is quite dangerous for humanity if it comes for if they started thinking in a negative way. So it is quite dangerous this way. So this is there was one seminar also. It is very if machines would started thinking like human, and if they started thinking in negative way, what would be happen to humankind. So there should take some precautions and curative measures to face such kinds of disasters in upcoming future. So the use of deep learning should be limited and should be in a positive way. Fine. So this meeting held in Artificial Intelligence Association also, even in developed countries. Fine. So what deep learning contains? It have various techniques. It have various techniques. So friends, these various techniques I will teach you in another video, because this video is already of 17 minutes. So whole deep learning and artificial intelligence and data science, these things I will teach you in next videos, upcoming videos. Tomorrow I will teach you this part of deep learning, because it contains various techniques also, and these techniques I will tell you with the example, and so that you can understand it easily. So this is all. I hope you get all the points easily what I was trying to say you, and specifically this part, because many students get confused about it. So I have given you the simplest examples, like 6th or 7th class students who can easily get these examples very easily, what I am trying to say here. So this is the thing. This thing also you have understand. So in my next video tomorrow, I'll teach you about the deep learning's various techniques. Fine. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and thanks a lot if you like this video, and please subscribe my channel and like it, and if you have any suggestion or feedback, so write it in the comment section. Thanks a lot. For today it is enough.